2021 silicone cases and clear case for iPhone 13 Pro Max. Also available for other 13 models, $49 at Apple. Today we're getting first impressions on them before the 13 models come out. Until then, I'll be using my silver 12 Pro Max, plus the dummy models for other colors, so you get an early view of which colors to match. Yeah, 12 Pro Max still kind of fits in these cases. It's just more noticeable in the rear camera, silent switch, and slight depth, made for a thicker phone. So even if you're not upgrading from last year, it's fine. If I really like some of these, or if you request enough in the comments below, I'll make a full review on some of them, which includes matching wallpapers you guys like to see, and practicality. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. First up is Clover. Actual Clovers are brighter than this, but they did get the green hue right, just on the other shade. So it's greener than the toned down pine green, but lighter than forest green. I like how the microfiber lining kind of shimmers. You'll notice the silver iPhone matches with everything, because it's such a neutral color. Here's my gold dummy model complementing it. Next is BlueJay. I haven't seen a mid-tone blue this dull and shaded in a while. It's so gloomy. It makes me miss Capri Blue from last season. To be honest, these first two cases are a little too shaded, at least for my preference. Let me know what you think. This will look good with all colors. I can't wait to see how it looks on the new Blue 13 Max. Now we have Marigold to lighten things up. It's a very pale orange, so tinted that it might appear peach in some lighting and distances. I actually like this one so far. I love how gold blends in with it. The white in the silver phone brings out its milkiness. Product red. The rich red we all know is back. Compared to last year's almost coral-like red, I can see all the Pro models matching this. Pink Pomelo. It is still pink, but borderline salmon. So if you want something warm, light, but not too bold, this could be your color. Midnight. It's the new black. Looks a little darker than their own black though, which really makes it more of a true black. By the way, has anyone noticed that the MagSafe rings on the inner lining has more of a thin outline than what used to be a glossy single ring? I actually like it better. Do you? The 13 Pro Max clear case. It feels like the same material as last year's, but with the adjustments to fit the 13 Pro Max. Okay, maybe this is because it's on the 12 Pro Max, but the buttons feel clickier. It's actually a little easier to press, which has always been more difficult on the clear cases, so I hope when I get the 13 Pro Max that it stays clicky. Also let me know if anyone else thinks these cases have a slightly better magnet. Look how longer this end is on the new clear case compared to last year's. In conclusion, just like Apple's Vent, these colors were a bit underwhelming. But there's something for each personality. I'll personally wait for the leather cases. It's great that you could still fit your 12 Pro Max with this. I do wonder if the old cases will somehow work with the 13 Pro Max, because I do like last spring's colors better. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Next up, I'll be posting some new watch bands. Thanks for watching.